Does the fear of investing make you sweat? Well, you're not alone, because many of us face this when it comes to investing your hard-earned money. But what if I told you that with a mindful approach, you can turn that fear into confidence? So first, let's understand why investing feels so intimidating. See, our brains are wired to protect us from perceived threats, and losing money is very high on that list. This fear can lead to impulsive decisions like pulling out of the market during downturns. This is amygdala, the part of your brain responsible for fear responses. So when it senses danger, it can hijack your decision-making process, leading to what is known as herding behavior. That means following the crowd without critical analysis. So how do we trick our brains to avoid these pitfalls? So now let's look at some practical steps how you can overcome the fear of investing. First, establish clear goals. So decide what exactly do you want to achieve with your investments. Are you saving for retirement, a child's education, or a dream vacation? Because clear, realistic goals provide you with direction and reduce uncertainty. Second, educate yourself, because the more you understand about the different investment options and how market works, the less intimidating they become. So you can start with the basics and then expand gradually. So if you want to upgrade your knowledge, you can subscribe to our channel, because we spread financial literacy with our videos every week. Now coming to the third point, create a financial plan. Because a well thought out financial plan acts as a roadmap, guiding your investment journey and helping you stay focused during market fluctuations. Fourth, diversify your portfolio. Because you might have heard this quote, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So diversifying your investments can help you mitigate the risk and overall reduce fear. And fifth, focus on the long term. Because see, investing is a marathon, not a sprint run. Stay committed to your long-term goals and avoid making decisions based on short-term market movements. So if you found this video informative, you can share this video with your friends and family. And also, if you have any questions related to finance, here's the number below. Our certified financial advisors can help you with your queries. And for more finance content, you can watch these.